Imagine sifting through a jumbled mess of words and phrases, trying to make sense of it all. It's frustrating, isn't it? Now imagine this scenario in the world of Python programming. Poorly formatted code can be just as chaotic, making it a nightmare to navigate. But there's a simple remedy to this predicament: proper code formatting. Code formatting, in essence, is the art of writing code in a way that's easy to read and understand. It's like the grammar of programming. Without it, you may still get your message across, but it could be confusing, unclear, or misinterpreted. Consider this example. You have a block of code that's all crammed together with no clear structure or organization. It's hard to see where one function ends and another begins. The variables and functions are named haphazardly, making it even more difficult to understand what the code is doing. It's like trying to read a novel without any punctuation or capitalization. Sure, the words are there, but the lack of structure makes it a challenging read. Now let's transform this scenario. Imagine that same block of code, but with proper formatting. Each function is neatly separated with clear, descriptive names. Variables are also named logically, making it easy to understand their purpose. The code flows naturally like a well-written story. It's easy to follow along and understand what's happening. This is the power of proper code formatting. Properly formatted code isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it has tangible benefits. It makes the code easier to read, understand, and debug. It's like a roadmap guiding you through the code, making it easier to spot errors and understand the logic. Proper formatting in Python follows the PEP 8 style guide. Its set of rules for how to format Python code to maximize its readability. It's as simple as using 4 spaces for indentation, limiting line length to 79 characters, and using blank lines to separate functions and classes. The beauty of Python is its simplicity, and this extends to its formatting rules. Rules. They're straightforward and logical, making Python code clean and elegant. But why does this matter? Why should you care about how your code looks as long as it works? Well, consider this. You're not just writing code for a computer to execute, you're also writing it for humans to read, understand, and maintain. If you're working on a team, your colleagues will thank you for writing clear, readable code. If you're working on a project by yourself, your future self will thank you when you come back to the code months later and can still understand it. In conclusion, proper code formatting is like the unsung hero of programming. It may not get all the, but it's vital for writing efficient, readable, and maintainable code. So the next time you sit down to write some Python code, remember to give it the attention it deserves. Your code is your craft. Treat it with respect, and it will serve you well. And here's your call to action. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts about Python. Voiceover. Now that we've underscored the importance of code formatting, let's take a moment to appreciate how your well-structured code contributes to the programming community. Imagine being part of a community where everyone is creating, sharing, and learning from each other. That's the beauty of the coding world. Your well-formatted code doesn't just benefit you or your team, but it also becomes a valuable resource for other coders. When you share your code on platforms like GitHub, it becomes part of a vast library of open-source projects. Think of it as contributing a book to a library. If your book, or in this case your code, is easy to read and understand, it's more likely to be used, adapted, and learned from. It's your chance to give back to the community, to share your knowledge and expertise. Remember, your code is a reflection of your skills and understanding. Every line you write, every function you create, is a testament to your problem-solving abilities and your creativity. So the next time you're writing code, remember that you're not just solving a problem, you're also creating a resource for others to learn from. So make it count, make it clear, and make it well formatted. And now let's wrap things up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coding tips and insights. And remember, keep coding, keep sharing, and keep contributing to this wonderful world of programming.